This is Jeff Fouts, estate planning attorney. We're talking about different options that people have when doing estate planning. Each of these options is a tool. This tool is right for some people, but not right for everybody. Okay, so right now we've talked about a will, and right now I want to continue to talk about a revocable living trust. So revocable living trust is really fits the bill for people mostly age 50 to especially 60 and above. All right, why? Well, because people have kids that live out of state. They maybe have property in a different property in a different state, kids in a different state, all kinds of things. So if you want a revocable trust to function properly, you must title the assets to the trust. How's that done? Very, very simply. When people are born, they get a birth certificate. Great. When a trust is created, it gets a birth certificate. But we don't call it a birth certificate. We have to call it something fancy, of course. So we call it a certificate of trust. So the certificate of trust is the birth certificate. Okay, great. So now, after we do a trust for someone, you have that document, that little two-page document, and you get to walk to the bank and you say, Mr. Banker, we have a revocable living trust. And you say, well, we need to change the name on our checking account, savings account. And the banker will say, no problem whatsoever. And so that's what happens. You change the title. You go to your credit union, your bank, your brokerage house, etc. Not your IRA. That's a different asset. So, and you get them changed over. We do a deed for you. So, for example, when someone comes in to sign, we have a deed ready for you that transfers your house into the trust. So the house, you still own it. You can sell your house the very next week, and we'll talk about how to do that. So anyway, those are some of the ways a revocable trust works. If we can ever help you, just give us a call. Thank you.